How's it going? I got a donut. Janelle is still sleeping, I believe. Unless she's just hanging out in her room. I don't know. They don't have cable here, but they have Netflix, and I guess you can sign into your other accounts. I'm not sure, but you know, don't sign into your accounts at strangers' places. I still think it's weird that they don't have any curtains. But other than that, this place is perfect. It's a great place. So good morning. It's like 8:30. I'll probably fall back to sleep for a short while. We start our waterfall adventures today. I'm excited because the only waterfall I've ever seen is at Governor Dodge State Park, and it's not that impressive. It's cool, but it's not that impressive. So I'm excited for that. Alright, so we're trying to figure out how they built this place.
See, and then they have the walkway.
So
they took out stairs.
They have a walkway here that goes to this door.
Box.
Wait, where's that door go, though? Because it's not closed off. There's something there.
It's a gap.
There's a whole, gap. So if we were to go back out here, it's a wall. And it goes straight, like this. Something there. Can we see anything over here? Let's see. I don't like this. Bush. Yeah, look, it's a whole section of this house
That's not
accessible.
almost like it was their porch.
Yeah, like it used to be the porch to this little house.
They completely sealed it out.
Yeah.
And I wonder if it was. I don't know. They completely sealed it out. You would have walked in somewhere.
Right. I'm thinking that was a mud room or something like that. Okay.
Could have been a set of tiny house, because this is like a furnace or a.
Yeah, it's for the
vent
furnace thing.
There's no switch, but look, it has a plug.
Well, they probably just put it in here. You know, I mean, it works. I'm thinking, hopefully.
And in the bathroom, there's an attic.
Is there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there sure is. Whole attic in the bathroom. I don't know.
Can't tell.
I feel like they would have had to add that to access whatever else was up there. But that makes me wonder, is there another attic entrance, or used to be?
Well,
Talking about you not having a favorite snack right now.
yeah.
This house, I'm not sure how it was built, but why is the front part closed off? Very odd. Very odd. I just don't know how to paint clouds.
Isn't that Bob Rock?
Yeah, fluffy clouds, Bob Ross. Like, I don't know if they're difficult. It's weird. You would think it would just be blobs of white,
Right.
but it just doesn't look right when you do it. Good morning. 11:50. We're on our way to somewhere. Some falls. I'm not even sure. Amnicon. This guy is
We're going to take exit 222 on the left for US 2 East.
on the left. Ooh.
Yeah, that's in 3 miles.
3
and a half
miles. Yeah, go ahead. Get back on the left.
We're in Waterfalls.
Yep. So, waterfall adventure time. Okay, first area. You probably can't hear it. It might sound like wind, but we hear the water and like a rivery thing happening, because you know how water comes from rivers and stuff. All right, let's see. Let's turn you around. It's kind of where it starts. We've got tiny waterfalls in the trees. We can't really see from here. See, there's a little bit right there just running. Okay, we're gonna figure out where we're going to. We decided to park right here and walk because it shouldn't be too far, I don't think. It goes into this rock area right here. Yeah. I don't know, but here's a bridge to look at. Some stuff. More bridge. It's exciting. These waterfalls are exciting. Do you think there's any people? Wow. Don't fall because, you know, rocks. Water is very low. I'm assuming it comes down this way sometimes. This is low. Like this railing I thought would be higher up. Woo. And a little bit over there. Falls. The water is low, 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 low. Shawty got low, low, low. It's very low. Shallow, shallow. Alright, let's see what else we got around here. Oh my god. Yes, it's a path. It's supposed to be going down here, okay?
You create your own path.
Unless there's one already made. Bet you're now walking over the rocks and stuff. Oh my goodness. Should park her up in here. Let me put this phone down. Alright. We're trying not to fall. Oh, I ain't gonna walk on that in the wintertime, no. Okay. Like you can see our footprints there. Yeah. This waterfalls. It's kind of like Sioux Falls, but you know, more natural. Sioux Falls Park looked very park. Look, here's some water I can touch. Water I can touch. Ooh, that feels so nice. It's not cold. It's really warm. It's really nice water. I want to go swimming. People. There's people right there. People right there. She said, this is very scenic. No, duh. That's so funny. I don't think that lady knows what scenic means. She said, this is very scenic. Yeah, but she must be a city dweller.
Turn
There's
your
this
camera, your
waterfall.
phone upside down and take the picture.
Upside down?
Turn your phone upside down and then take the picture. I read somewhere that that's
Oh, the waterfalls. Very, very rocky. The railing is the most important part. They got stairs, kind of, sort of, mostly. Alright. These trees, roots, I like them. Okay. Picture of tree roots. Okay. Down the stairs I go. Even further?
yeah, down that way.
Nice. Oops. I meant to take a picture. I started recording. There we go. Down there. There, you did it. I just wanted to get the fish. These little minnows. Oh, jeez. Can you see them? See the fish? Can you see them? They're all swimming around. There. You can see them. See? There's a fish. The fishies, little minnows or whatever. I know, there's family. We're trying to get up over there, so you see where Jonelle is. Yep, we'll try. So one of the locals was here with his kids and taking the picture. Oh, by the way, they have this is a selfie. Oh, drop your phone. So it's, you know, selfie thing. They let you set it up. Anyway, the local was telling us that the water after, like in spring when it thaws, is up to there. Like this line here. That is, like, look how low it is compared to right now. I mean, how high that would be. That's like 10 feet. That's craziness. But we're gonna take another picture, okay? Run away. Those kids. What are you doing? What are you doing, children? We saw it, that's fine, but I just want to see the...
I was just leaving them. I'm like, okay.
Oh, because the other side had no sign.
None.
None whatsoever.
That I noticed.
And these stairs. Ooh,
oh my,
absolutely.
That's a big step.
Yeah. Oh, stairs. Oh. This is the bridge we saw, right? I think so.
Yeah. So then there's your car on the other side.
Yeah.
Yeah. How do you do it?
They probably connect. Snake
pitfalls.
We're gonna...
Tell me that there's snakes around here.
There probably are. It's nature. Shall I drop my rock? I don't drop my rock.
Oh, you are gonna?
No.
Oh.
I like my rock. I'm gonna keep it. See, it's my rock. It's a sandstone rock. Pretty round. Yeah, you gotta find one. When we get to wherever they have agate. That was the guy.
Yep.
That was the guy who's like, it's 10 feet deeper than it is.
From high school. You're one of those guys.
Oh, yeah. That's why it says don't jump off of this.
Although there's a place, my boys have gone a couple times. It's Taylor's Falls in Minnesota.
You're not supposed to?
Outside of the Twin Cities. No, that's where they go. It's called the quarry, and you go to jump off the freaking rocks as high as where we were.
Oh, wow.
Into the quarry. I've never done it.
That's something Mackay would do for
yeah.
sure.
Oh my god, yeah. I would.
Because, you know, he jumped off the
Things.
whatever thing.
Yeah, I would take him.
I felt the water, though. It's super, super nice water.
It was, yeah.
It makes me want to go swimming.
When,
They're too tiny for my butts. Hurt my hips.
Yeah.
I didn't even sit. I'm like, ow, and I got up. There need to be adult swings that are not sex related. Yeah. Come on now. Swing's big enough for adults. So I'm saying. We lost the car. We think it's down that way.
Angie's Cantina and
we out here.
Across the streets.
We out here. Let's go down this way.
What that says.
Bellicio's fancy.
No.
That place?
That's not famous.
No. I don't know, but there's a giant bear.
I was like, there's a bear.
Let's go
outside.
look at that bear. It's very curious to me here. We have to go look at it. So we're out here at downtown Duluth. You can see here some water towers, and we're gonna cross the street. Don't worry, we got a walk signal. It's fancy downtown Duluth. Kind of fancy. We like it. Chocolate factory, that's what that is? Oh, chocolate factory. I wonder if you can watch them make the chocolate, like the fudge. That'd be cool. Here's this bear sitting out here, very worn. I wonder if he's damp.
Ew, he might be moist with the rain.
Nope. He's dry and pudgy. That's what he is. Woo! It'd be fun to rent these scooters.
Do you know how to ride one?
A scooter?
Yeah.
No.
Me neither. They got electric bikes.
These are electric scooters.
I know, so you'd have to like stand like this and balance.
I could do that. Probably. That'd be fun. If it's not too expensive, we should look at it.
Stand up.
Ah,
No thanks. You
stop.
must have to go order them inside or something.
I'm thinking, yeah, this is dirty. Brown.
Probably very rusty because of the.
Oh, yeah, I'm sure. It's still brown.
Yeah.
I gotta take this picture, though. I'm trying to zoom in on this bridge a little bit. We like a good city skyline. It's very nice.
You want to see the ship? We can't go on the ship unless we pay for it.
I don't want to go on the ship. Ooh, look at the big ship. Is it like a historical
They
ship?
got smoky bacon.
It's like very cute thing to do. I don't even know. You know, I'm thinking that the Suites Hotel at Waterfront Plaza, I'm pretty sure it's haunted. It looks like it would be haunted. I'm just saying. There's this here ship. You can go tour the ship. Have you ever toured the ship?
No.
It got bigger.
Sure did. Inside of that furnace there, I've got a pool of glass, and I could dip, I could dip other pieces of glass in it to coat it up, or dip the end of my metal rod in there to start my piece.
Oh.
I'll shape it up here. Pull it down at the same
That's a
time.
really cool blue and white one straight ahead.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
an egg looking shape.
Yep.
I see it. What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Same.
Like
Piece of kiss shape.
royal
Just
blue.
about.
Not
I haven't
like
been able to
close.
specify what shape.
like
I like all shapes.
I like the
Finish
darker,
it.
you know, like
darker
hanging up there is darker blue.
Mhm.
The color of my car.
By melting it off of this rod here.
I like
Melting
anywhere
it
from
off.
the sky to the color of your car to like that deep blue. I think
Okay.
in the Crayola,
You guys can check out our candy kisses in the gallery
the
here.
Crayola
Step
crayon
inside.
box, the 120 box, has one called denim.
Coming a
That's
bunch
a
of
cool
different
blue.
flavors.
You acting like we can eat it.
I know,
White
right?
and purple.
These are not candy. This is glass. Can he hear us? Just chit-chatting over here? I would think it's loud. I wonder how long he's been doing this. He looks real young. Where? His name? Oh. That's Daniel. Let's see. Oh, really? I don't know.
Yep.
Oh.
I will
Well,
paint.
I'll paint some glass. These are very beautiful, but we will not be purchasing anything. Look at these marbles. They do like a, I don't know,
Those are cool.
spiral thing.
Damn, those small ones are 120 bucks.
I know. These ones here are 80. They're cool looking. I like these ones that are like spirals. They're neat. They look like a black hole or something. I'm assuming they're all hand blown. These are cool. What else? These birds. Paperweight bird. Be careful. It's all glass. Cannot pick up. Okay. Alrighty. That's a magnet. What are these? I don't know what this is. A diamond, it's just an ornament. Break them. That's a cool tray. Okay. This is Lake Superior. In this area. Oh, I like that view right there. Right there. We're gonna go see the lighthouse. It's a human. Lean with it, rock with it.
There's a sign down there that actually tells us what it is, but I don't remember. I think it's
An abandoned. That thing in the middle of the thing? Well, it's definitely sinking. Whatever it is.
You want to walk on the rocks? Or,
I am not steady enough to walk on the rocks.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna walk out there. You can walk on the rocks, but I am not steady enough to do so. I don't know what kind of anchor that is. We got all the other anchors. We're gonna go and to the lighthouse. That's where I'm going. Okay. We could have walked on the rocks, but I'm unsteady on the rocks, so we don't do that. I wasn't going to do that. Yeah. Okay, going to the lighthouse. Okay, so we have this island of rocks, just like piled. But I just wanted to show you a man here, just chilling on that rock right there. He's like, hey, how's it going? Yeah, muddy. Where's them ducks? Oh, they're there. Ducks. Whoops, too close. There's the ducks. We got ducks. Ducks. Some rocky water for ducks. I don't know if my camera will pick it up. It might. This distinct line here where the change, yeah, we did. Change in the water color. You can see it. Like brown to blue or whatever. Here's more blue. You can see this brown patch right here. We don't know. Is it shore? Is it just mud? Is it, I mean, like here you can definitely see a big change. Right here, see? That. We are at Grandma's. I don't know what this is.
Just grandma's.
Just Grandma's. We're upstairs at the pub and patio area. They have like a saloon and bar or whatever down below. And here's what we look like, or what this looks like. Just up. That bridge would go up if there's a boat come through. It goes up. The lift bridge right next to it. That's pretty dang cool. Dang cool. All right, we're hungry now and we're getting hangry. I don't know if you can hear it, but the train ding dinging sound is going, and they're waiting for those people right there to walk, because this bridge is gonna go up. There's some people right there.
Things went down.
Yep, the railroad track things went down. Right there. It's gonna move, and I'm excited about it. Come on, old people, get across. So then, like, when everyone's
knees to chest.
Come on, go. So it's gonna go up and we're gonna see it. And I'm excited.
You're taking video. I was gonna take video, but I don't need to.
No, you don't. I mean, you can if you really want to, but I'm gonna do it. Yep.
Hi, train. Or not a train, a
Boat. There's a train in the water. No. Where is it? Well, it's behind, probably behind this building. This freaking building right there. Come on. It's been a minute. Oh, it's going up. It's going up. It's going up. I totally want to be on that. Ooh. Can we go in that house and then go up? Is it a little boat? We don't know yet. We don't know yet. Is
a big boat or a boat? We don't know yet. There is a barge, garbage barge. Just kidding. It's going up. Is it gonna go all the way up, you think?
Go all the way up.
It's going up. This is like the most exciting thing in my video today, probably. The bridge is going up.
Have another waterfall eventually.
Well, yeah, you know, it's about that. You can drive when we get back to the car, whenever that is.
Oh, here it comes.
Oh,
Slow.
I see it.
Oh, 2 boats.
Oh, and then the one over there
And
looks like a freaking
sailboat.
cruise ship.
Do they radio in and say, "Hey, we need space"? Lift
Yeah,
that
probably.
bridge up, or lift the bridge up.
Yep, and the bridges, I guess that's as far as it goes.
I
It
wonder
looks
if
like
the
it
bridge-
goes up higher,
Yeah,
but
it does. Because you can see.
look how
the
close. It looks like they're getting
tracks
really
still
close.
go.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
Or the.
They clear it. They cleared it. And this, like, party ship, the something Vista,
How far does it go on?
the
the
Vista
damn
Star.
side? That boat don't look big enough to be out in that Superior.
Is it Superior?
But I guess it is.
It's like a tour boat. They probably just go around.
They need to paint the rod off.
They need to paint the bottom. It's a little scratched up. It's okay. The Vista
If we
Star.
would've thought about it, we could have taken a little cruise.
Oh, it's coming down.
And then back down.
It's coming down. Nope, doesn't make a ding ding sound. That's just the railroad track.
Yeah.
They're not even railroad track. I don't know what you call them. The barriers. It's coming down. It's going down. Now I wonder if you get. Can you get stuck down there?
Where?
Under the bridge thing? It only goes down so far. There has to be room, I would think. You get stuck and get crushed. That's what I'm wondering. No, there's got to be safety stuffs. What if it
Somebody
broke?
need to be in the house to operate it?
Maybe. That's probably the control room
That might be the.
in that little house there. And it's almost down. Here's my 3 minutes and change of this bridge going up and the boats going back
I'm glad
through.
we got to see it.
Me too. Oh yeah. See, now the ding 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 is happening again. Ding ding train ding ding. And it's down. It's down. The end. So
when you hit it, it goes away.
Yeah. So you can flip it when you're not recording.
So you have to pause it. And then go back.
So, you know, mine on my phone, that's how it used to be. And then when I got the tunnel is another tunnel. And we're exiting the tunnel. You hold your breath in the tunnel. Don't pass out. I know. Oh.
It used to be a school.
Looks like a school or a, I don't even know what. We got some leisure boater out there. I see a sailboat or something in the way. I think it's a sailboat. Woo! We're on the shoreline, North Shore. You know, say Superior. Scenic route. She said, "You want to take the scenic route or expressway?" I'm like, we're taking the scenic route because look at this. You would think it was the ocean, except for all the land over there. You could stop it there. They need better signs because I'm not going to be able to see any of these things ahead of time. I like it. I like it. Like flowers in a hay.
He really moving them barrels.
Yup.
That's the day before it's over.
We're going in a tunnel. Going down.
Handicap accessible.
Yay! Whee! That's good because, you know, handicapped people like to see views.
You like the ocean Superior?
Right. The ocean superior. Yes. Going down, down, down.
Oh,
Hey!
oh.
Hey! Hello!
More lights.
In that tunnel!
More lights.
This reminds me of Harry Potter. So in Harry Potter, they get in a tunnel because they're being chased by Dementors. And then, Dudley, not Dudley, what's his name?
So she was happy birthday, Birdie. Oh,
Who?
R.I.P. I don't know.
Oh, they died.
Happy Witch.
Which was day 10/31/21.
Joe loves me.
Oh, because Happy Mimi, Happy Mimi Witch. Huh? Mumukwe. I'm so glad this place is not filled with spiders. I'm sure there are some. I'm just not going to find them. I will not bother looking for them. Dora the Explorer? I don't know. Why you gotta put your tag everywhere? Nobody cares that you were here.
Oh, look at that big pretty boy, girl.
Beautiful baby!
The water.
Fluffy dog. It's so clear.
It makes me miss my puppy.
So here we are in this is where Highway 61. And you can get, there's lots of the touristy stuff. We're gonna go on the touristy stuff. You can do that. Or you can just do whatever takes you. This looks interesting. I want to go there.
Copper mining.
Whatever this old boat is. Retired commercial fishing boat. So yeah, you remember you were talking about that building. Wow, I wonder what it was. Ooh boy.
That's a cool rock.
It's a very large. Too bad we can't take it with us. We can take it in pictures. I don't know, because it's got a hole in it. You know, I bet these were the holes where they have the holes. They had to be used for when they had that stick. I took this stick out of a rock.
These stairs.
This pole, whatever. Oh, I'm sure, because people probably come out here and I'm gonna jump off the rocks, and then get hurt.
Or maybe if the city was we care about people falling.
Yeah.
Rocks,
Let me make this a little safer. Oh, jeez. Okay. Look at how white that thing is.
White cat.
It's sun bleached. This wood over here. Very sun bleached.
I think an answer to your question about
Is that what's his name?
No, Henry. Hank.
Hank? Hank the female dog? Well, I don't know what the sign says. It's not for us. Well, we're this section right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
You pulled him fast. Oh, he ran over there.
And then here's another one.
Jet ski.
Here's another one coming in.
We're about to jet ski.
I've never jet skied.
See, I've been on one. I've never driven one.
I want to do that.
I've been on one, never driven. We'll see in a while.
Woo! The sun is behind me.
One smashes all the rocks.
We get smashing the rocks. We're playing Does It Smash? This is my smashing rock right here. And I lay it on this rock here and I smash. And we see does it smash? And if it smashes, maybe it looks cool. I don't know. We're gonna find out.
I bet you all these are agates and I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking for.
Sorry, Jonelle's looking for agates. We don't know what we're looking for. There's a rando guy who was on the beach. It's not even a beach. I don't know what you call this. I mean, I guess it's kind of a beach, kind of. Anyway, just like jokingly, we go, oh, we joke, what?
On the lagoon.
On the lagoon. Jokingly, she says, do you know what agates look like? He's like, yeah, actually I do. He's like, what? You do? So anyway, he told us you got to dig for them, but you got to dig by the water, and we don't want to get our feet wet. So there's that. So we're up here by these rocks. Up here. So we're playing Does It Smash? Well, I'm playing it. I don't know what she's doing. See, this one here looks like it could be interesting inside. So we're going to put it down. Oh no, I lost my smashing rock. Oh, there it is. Take a big smashing rock. How do I know it's a smashing rock? Because of its denseness. Oh! Let me turn it around. Dang it. Okay. Take your big smashing rock. You can see I already smashed some stuff. To the smashing rock. You take it and you go smash. And it broke. Is it any interesting? No, there's nothing interesting inside this rock, so we throw that back. And Serenity. Jonelle needs a dirty little boy.
Nerdy.
Oh, nerdy.
I need a nerdy kid.
A nerdy kid. Right. We need a nerdy kid to say we're looking for agates. Anyway, Does It Smash? That's what we're playing right now. Jonelle went into one. She said, and then she left it. Trying to go into the bathroom is what she's trying to do. Or is she? Is the question. I don't know. We're out here. We're gonna go to a lighthouse. We're supposed to see waterfalls, right? But we don't really know where they are. So we just decided to go down this scenic route thing and just stop along the way to wherever we want to stop at, and that's where we're stopping at. See the lighthouse, stuff like that. It's very lovely up here. And it's not cold. Like you would think it'd be cold by the Lake Superior, but it is not. It's also not hot. It's quite lovely weather. Lovely weather we're having. Lovely, beautiful.
Glad I know how to squat.
Yeah. So that must be Canada then.
Move one step to your other side. Close.
Am I right? Man, he's fishing. Let's see. Picture here. Got a little picture over here. Is Canada, I'm thinking. Yeah. Going over here.
Something just jumped way out there.
Well, where?
Way out there.
Way out there? There's a whale! Old cars. All the cars, old car. Lots of old cars. Going down to wherever they're going to. Old cars. Going to where they're going to. Do you know how to get back?
No, I need a
map,
thing.
okay.
Yep.
Alright, oh, I'm looking at it. Look at this. Look at this. They're just wild right here. They don't care. Hi. Wish I had a snack with me. Feed the deer.
I'm like, man.
A little Bambi in the background there.
Oh, there's 3 of them.
Where's the third one?
Right in front of the second baby.
Oh, I see him.
She's not even by her babies.
I don't know.
They must lay out stuff.
Bye. Okay. So, fun fact about our rental property. The keys are not the same. Meaning that the key that I have locks the deadbolt. The key that Jonelle has locks it locks the house. I didn't know this would open this. I'm so nosy. Okay, So the key Jonelle has locks the doorknob. And we locked the doorknob when we left because we thought it was the same.
Joke's on us.
Right? Joke's on us. But thankfully, I called the number. They reached out to the owner people. They're only 20 minutes away. So I'm like, thank God they're not like out of city or out of the country or whatever, you know. And so we're all good. So they're coming to rescue us. And maybe we can learn about how they built this little thing. We'll find out.
Probably cold. I wish there could be better viewing. Like, they made the railing too high. Like, we don't care if you need you to be safer. It's fine. We stay. So, we can see out of the left. Door that we can see. Good bridge. Go under the bridge. Welcome to the continent. So like when you're in the water, if you're just in the water in the middle, you can be like just in the water. Yeah. In both places. Yeah. You're like, I'm in Wisconsin. My right side's on Wisconsin. I would imagine the
So as you can see, we're inside now. We've been inside for quite some time, talking about life and just life.
Life.
Yeah, so
Life.
we're gonna say goodnight.
Life.
Tomorrow is Friday.
Life.
And we'll see you tomorrow.
Life.
Toodles.